created, if the contact exists, then we need to create an event. So let's create it. Create record. So now here give it label it as create event registration. Now the give it one is API name. We're gonna do it manually. So search for the object. It is an event, right? Event object. So now we're gonna add the fields event name and event date, right? So let me just go here. So we have already created event registration details. Event date. So we're gonna take its API name. We're gonna take event date. And that's how we are done with this. Now we are done with this. Now what we need to do, we need to store the event ID in a variable to link it to the ticket, right? So this creates the event record so that attendee is registering for. Okay, so for now we have created this one also. Now we need to create records for ticket. Okay, so for that we need to create records for ticket. Create record. Let's give it as create ticket. We're gonna take it manually. Oh sorry, not this one. Show which object now? Ticket object. Yes, ticket object. So in the ticket object we're gonna take ticket type event, ticket type, then we have record fields, lookup fields. We have contact and event, right, which we have created. So let's see that contact, and let's take event, and then now this attendee has a ticket linked to both their contact and the event, right? Now let's save this one. So now if you want to send an any confirmation email, you can send it. For that, first what you need to do is you need to create an email alert. So for that you need to go to setup and click on email alert and click new. So for that what we're gonna do is we'll just give email alert so that it will be more easy for us. Let's go here, email alert. Yes, email alerts. So here we're gonna create a new email alert. So create a new one. So we'll give something template like your email alert has been done. Okay, we'll give let me just go down. So I'm gonna give the receptionist for everyone. So email template, we'll give email template something called as your event registration is confirmed, something like that. Let's give a template here. You can see all types of template here. Is confirm. Let me just give some name like email. Okay, description is not needed, so let's find user 2. This is also not needed, so let me type something called as if your email your event registration is confirmed. So let me save this. Oh god.